Hi everyone, myself is A.S. Chandragi. Today we are going to study about these topics. First one, we are going to study about the definition of atmosphere, atmosphere gases composition, atmosphere layers of earth, ecological factors. In that subtopics are soil, soil weathering, so composition of soil, soil pedogenesis, and the last one is a soil profile. Atmosphere. It is defined as the atmosphere is a layer of air that surrounds the earth and is compressed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. The atmosphere also contains the traces of gases like carbon dioxide, neon, helium, etc. See, atmosphere is defined as the air surrounding the earth is called as a atmosphere. And here is the another definition of the atmosphere. An atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet or a other body. Earth's atmosphere is composed of about 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% of other gases. Atmosphere gases composition. Here, what is the composition of the atmosphere present? First one, Earth's atmosphere is composed of about 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% of other gases. Already I told you. And here is a table where you can see the gas, chemical formula, and a volume. Nitrogen N2, it consists of the 78.08%, oxygen O2 20.95, it is considered as a 21% only, and argon AR 0.93%, water vapor H2O 0.4%. Atmosphere layers of earth. Here there are the four types of. First one is the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere. This is troposphere. This is the lowest part of the atmosphere. The part we lived in, it contains the most of our weather, clouds, rain, snow. Troposphere means where we are living, this sphere is considered as a troposphere. Second one is a stratosphere. This extends upwards from the troposphere to about 50 kilometers. It contains much of the ozone in a atmosphere. And third one is the mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere is called as a mesosphere. The above region is called as the mesosphere. And thermosphere. The thermosphere lies above the mesosphere and is a region in which temperature gain increases with the height. Thermosphere is a after mesosphere the thermosphere occurs, and here temperature increases with its height. Here in diagram you can see it is earth, where you can see the troposphere first where we are living, then stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Exosphere is the last surface of the atmosphere. Ecological factors. First one, soil. It is the upper layer of earth, is a mixture of organic matters, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms that together support a life. Earth's body of a soil is called as a pedosphere. See, soil is defined as it is the topmost layer of the earth, and it contains the organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms. In diagram you can see the soil which is helpful for the plants for the growth. Next one is a soil weathering. It is a breakdown of rocks, minerals into a soil. This is an image of the process of a rocks becoming sediment and a soil. See, soil weathering is defined as it is a breakdown of rocks into small pieces. In a diagram you can see, first diagram you can see there is a rock where a small particles of the rocks are break down. See, after that in second pic you can see when a rain or erosion occurs, the small pieces of rocks are transferred to the soil, are sent to the earth surface, where to the soil, and they're combined with the soil. So this is called as a soil weathering. And composition of soil. The four major components of soil are shown here: inorganic minerals, organic matter, water, and air. Here, inorganic mineral 40 to 45% present in a soil, and organic matter about 5% present in a soil. Water is about 25% present in a soil, and last one, air, 25% of a air is present in a soil. And you can see here in a diagram pie chart where it is separated and with a percentage. And next one is a soil pedogenesis. Before that, pedogenesis means, in a Greek word, it is defined as a pedo means soil or a earth, and genesis means origin or a birth. So soil pedogenesis also called as the soil formation. And soil formation or a pedogenesis is a process of evolution of soil under the influence of various physical, biological, climatic, geological factors. Soil formation occurs via a series of changes to the parent materials, all of which leads to formation of layers of a soil. These layers can be separated on the basis of composition and other physical properties. Soil pedogenesis means it is the formation of soil through the various activities like physical, biological, climatical, and geological factors, where it has where the soil has formed. In diagram you can see the first organic layer, next as topsoil, subsoil, parent material, and a bedrock. These together forms a soil pedogenesis or a soil formation. And last one is a soil profile. The soil profile is a topmost layer of earth's crust, mainly composed of organic minerals, rock particles that supports a life. A soil profile is a vertical cross section of the soil made of layers running parallel to the surface. Soil profile is defined as it is the topmost layer of the earth, and it is also composed of the organic minerals and rock particles, and which help for the support of the life, for example for a plants or animals or human beings. And diagram you can see here the variation in a soil, where you can see the topsoil, subsoil, and a bedrock, where in a topsoil the plants exist where they can give a life. And this is the end of the topic, and in next class we will meet with another new topic. Thank you.